Have you ever wondered what would happen if you mixed these two simple ingredients, salt and detergent? Both are easy to find in almost every home. Many people might think this mixture sounds strange or even impossible. But in this video, I'm going to show you the surprising benefits of combining these two simple household materials. You'll be amazed at how something so ordinary can actually make your daily tasks much easier. Alright, let's start this amazing experiment. For the first step, prepare an empty container. You can use any type of container you have. Here, I'm using a plastic cup that can hold about 500 milliliters of water. Next, add 2 tablespoons of detergent into the cup. Then, add 1 tablespoon of salt. Both of these ingredients have similar properties. They dissolve easily when mixed with water. You can gently shake the container to help them blend evenly, or stir it with a spoon until the mixture becomes completely uniform. Next, prepare some warm water. Why warm water? Because it helps dissolve both ingredients much faster and more effectively. Pour about 500 milliliters of warm water into the container with the salt and detergent mixture. And before we move on to the next step, I'd love to know, which country are you watching this video from? Write it down in the comments below. It's amazing to see how we can connect with each other from all around the world. Now, stir the mixture until the salt and detergent are completely dissolved in the water. You can use any kind of stirrer, a spoon, a spatula, or even a wooden stick. Here, I'm using a wooden stick attached to a drill to make the mixing process faster and more even. As you stir, you'll notice the mixture gradually turning white. That's because of the foaming effect from the detergent. Keep stirring until everything blends perfectly, and get ready to see something truly amazing, something you probably never expected before. You should know, salt contains natural components that react in a special way, and detergent has active agents that enhance this reaction. When combined, they create a powerful effect. And soon you'll discover why this mixture is definitely not liked by some tiny creatures around your home. Next, prepare a spray bottle. This will make it much easier and safer to apply the solution later on. Pour the mixture we've just made into the spray bottle. Then let it sit for about 15 minutes to cool down. This cooling process is very important. If the liquid is still warm, it can affect the quality of the spray bottle you're using. Excessive heat might even damage the rubber seal inside the sprayer head. So make sure the mixture has completely cooled down before you use it. While waiting for the mixture to cool down, let me show you another amazing idea. And yes, it also involves salt. You see, salt easily dissolves in water, but the result is completely different when it's combined with a chemical adhesive, like super glue that we often use to fix broken items. Now watch this closely. I'm going to pour super glue directly onto the salt, and the result is absolutely incredible. The salt doesn't melt at all. Instead, it turns extremely solid and rock hard. The reaction is similar to what happens when you mix super glue with baking soda, but this one creates an even harder bond. From this experiment, we can see that the combination of salt and super glue can actually be used to repair broken plastic items. For example, here I have a motorcycle mirror with a cracked plastic part. If you only use glue, it usually won't last long, it'll easily break again. To make it stronger, first secure the broken parts with tape or any adhesive strip. This will prevent the glue from spilling out and keep the repair looking neat. The tape also helps hold the parts in place, so you don't have to worry about them moving while applying the glue. Once it's in position, sprinkle some salt on the inner side of the crack. I'm doing the repair from the inside so the outer surface stays clean and tidy. Finally, pour super glue slowly onto the salt until it hardens. Add it gradually along every cracked section, and you'll get a repair that's much stronger and more durable than before. This combination of salt and super glue can be used on many different surfaces: plastic, wood, rubber, and even walls. There are actually many other powders that can be used with super glue, but salt is the most ideal material because it creates an extremely solid and durable bond. That's why this method works perfectly for fixing broken items. Once the gluing process is complete, carefully remove the tape or any adhesive you used on the outer surface, and take a look at the result: a strong, clean, and seamless repair without any messy residue. Now, let's take a look at the repair result and test the strength of the salt and super glue combination. Before we test it, observe the surface carefully. There's no glue spilling out anywhere. The salt perfectly absorbs the super glue, keeping everything neat and clean. This is also one of the benefits of using the tape on the outer surface earlier. And the result is amazing. The motorcycle mirror that was once broken is now completely usable again. The repair looks strong, neat, and almost like new. With this simple method, we can save money without having to buy a new mirror. And now, let's go back to the first mixture we prepared earlier. Attach the spray nozzle to the bottle, and this solution is ready to use to make our daily tasks a lot easier. Around our homes, or sometimes even indoors, we often find bits of food or snack wrappers that accidentally fall onto the floor. And that's usually what attracts ants to gather. It's an annoying sight, right? Not only does it make your home look untidy, but ants can also be harmful, especially if you have small children, as their bites can cause skin irritation. Now, the salt and detergent mixture we made earlier can be used to eliminate those ants quickly and effectively. It's very simple to use. Just spray the solution directly onto the ant colony, and within seconds, you'll see how fast it works. This combination of salt and detergent creates a natural reaction that small insects like ants simply cannot survive. That's why this simple mixture is so effective for completely getting rid of ants in your home easily and safely. This simple mixture can also be turned into a small business idea to make extra income. Just package it in a small spray bottle, add a label that says Ant Eliminator, and when you sell it, you'll be surprised at how much profit you can make from something this simple and easy to create. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community, because there are still so many creative and practical ideas coming your way. And if you find this idea helpful, don't forget to press the like button. It really helps us stay motivated to create even more amazing and useful videos for you. Share this idea with your friends and family, because who knows, it might inspire them someday too. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in the next video.